Welcome to Brewfix. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast, a barista, or a technician, this channel is your go-to guide for espresso machine repairs, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Today, I'm sharing one of my most intense weeks ever, when I took on 10 espresso machines in a row, each with its own set of mysterious leaks, heating problems, and pressure issues. It was exhausting, costly, and emotionally draining, but the lessons I learned are priceless. In this video, I'll walk you through the challenges I faced, the mistakes that almost ruined my week, and the solutions that saved each machine, and ultimately the coffee. The first machine I tackled looked simple at first, but it was a nightmare of inconsistent pressure. The shot was thin, bitter, and watery, a classic sign of a hidden boiler issue. I spent hours diagnosing the problem, taking apart the internal tubing, testing each valve, and recalibrating the pressure switches. By the end of the day, I had fixed it, but it cost me valuable time and energy. This taught me that no matter how experienced you are, even a single miscalculation in pressure management can derail the perfect espresso shot, and attention to detail is everything when dealing with multiple machines in a row. The second machine was a leak machine from top to bottom. Water was dripping from places I didn't even know existed, including around the group head and the boiler gasket. I had to methodically disassemble the machine, replace worn gaskets and seals, and flush the entire system to ensure no hidden leaks remained. It was tedious, but the satisfaction of watching a machine that once drenched the counter now pull perfect shots without a drip was incredible. It reminded me that maintenance is just as important as repair, and skipping a small component check can cost you hours and wasted coffee. The third machine had electronics that seemed possessed, buttons that wouldn't respond, lights flickering, and a grinder interface that refused to calibrate. This was a reminder that espresso machines are a blend of mechanical and digital engineering. I carefully traced every wire, tested every sensor, and replaced a critical OEM control board. By fixing it, I not only restored functionality, but also realized that modern machines demand both technical knowledge and patience, and a small misstep in electronics can be far more costly than a mechanical fix. Machines 4 through 7 came one after another, each with quirks, overheating, weak pumps, and inconsistent crema. I learned to prioritize, stay organized, and keep detailed notes, because trying to rush multiple machines leads to mistakes. I used diagnostic tools, pressure gauges, and descaling kits extensively, and documented every step for future reference. By the end, I was exhausted, but I had developed a system that let me work smarter instead of just harder. A critical lesson for any coffee technician taking on multiple repairs at once. The last 3 machines hit me the hardest. 2 had hidden boiler cracks that required complete part replacements, and the 10th machine had a mysterious valve that no one in my circle had seen before. It forced me to innovate, improvising solutions while sourcing OEM parts quickly. Each repair was a lesson in resilience, problem solving, and the true cost of expertise, time, money, and energy. Even when machines are fixed, the process itself can take a toll if you aren't methodical and patient. Repairing 10 machines in a row taught me that every espresso machine has its secrets, and even seasoned technicians can face days that test their skill, patience, and determination. At Brewfix, I share everything I learn, from descaling tubes and boilers to troubleshooting internal and external components, so you don't make the same mistakes I did. If you want to take your coffee machine skills to the next level, I highly recommend checking out my guides and resources for technicians, including the Coffee Technician's Business Blueprint, From Rust to Riches Refurbishing Guide, Ultimate Coffee Grinder Repair Manual, and Espresso Repair Master Checklist. With the right knowledge, tools, and tips, You can fix any espresso machine confidently and save both coffee and money along the way.